If everything looks zoomed in Firefox, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the zoom level in Firefox so your browser looks normal again. This is a simple trick that can help if text, images, websites, or the whole browser suddenly feel too large or too magnified. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer and look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu to open Firefox settings and options. Once the menu opens, look for the zoom section. In this area, you'll see zoom controls with a minus button, a plus button, and a percentage number in the middle. If your browser is zoomed in, the percentage will be higher than 100%. To fix it, click the minus button to zoom out little by little until the zoom level reads 100%. As soon as it reaches 100%, your page should return to normal size. If you want, you can also keep clicking the minus button if things were extremely zoomed in, but for most cases, getting back to 100% is the correct setting. This works for the current page and helps restore a more comfortable viewing size right away. If the page still looks strange after that, you may want to refresh the website or check whether that specific site has its own zoom settings. But in most cases, just using the Firefox zoom controls will solve the problem instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to fix everything looking zoomed in on Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.